Hello everyone, everything I'm going to show you has been tested by professional mechanics here in the shop, so relax, we're getting close to fixing it. If your Ford suddenly shows the Check Fuel Fill Inlet message, the first thing you think is, what did I do now? Basically, the car is telling you that something is off with the fuel inlet, the part where you insert the gas nozzle. In newer models without a traditional gas cap, this inlet has a small valve that must close perfectly to prevent vapors from escaping, and if something blocks it, the message appears on the dashboard. Mechanics in this shop have noticed that this often happens after filling the tank or even after a car wash. The simplest solution that works for many is to clean the inlet using the white funnel that comes with the vehicle, moving the valve slightly to remove dirt, dust, or debris that prevents it from closing properly. With this, the message often disappears after driving a few miles. Some go a step further and recommend lightly lubricating the seals or the rubber around the valve so it seats better and closes without issues. Combined with cleaning, this usually clears the alert without needing to replace any parts. But it's not always that simple. Some mechanics note that even after cleaning and lubricating, the message keeps appearing. In those cases, the issue may be related to the EVAP system or the sensor that detects if the inlet is sealed properly. This could mean a vapor leak, a loose hose, or even a defective sensor that requires professional attention. Others have noticed that overfilling the tank or forcing the nozzle can confuse the system because fuel or vapors push on the valve and make the sensor misread the situation. Many recommend filling only until the pump automatically shuts off without overfilling to prevent the alert from coming back.